So, okay, so I'm called Gunilla Ouko. I'm the general manager for Greater Western. Greater Western is 10 counties, so I usually say I'm super governor. I look after 10 counties, yeah, for the Safaricom business. Today, we are here in Nyamira, and we're really happy to be in this school today. And what we have done, so from a Safaricom Foundation perspective, we have 3 pillars. We do education, we do health, and we do entrepreneurship as well. So today we are focused on the pillar of education, and what we did, we decided to construct the 2 dormitories. It has costed 35 million Kenya shillings to do the 2 dormitories. We will be able to house 400 students, 1 for the girls, 1 for the boys, and these are the citizens of the future. I'm hoping that I'd spoken to one of the girls, and I told her she's the next general manager. And why are we doing this? The dormitory is you see, like when you have a car, you have to service the car, you have to look after the car properly. So when our children study and they have a place to sleep, they can shower, clean water, peace of mind, then they will study. So it's part of adding to their ability to be able to function properly as a student. That's why we have done these dormitories. And I'm really looking forward. These are the times when I'm really proud of the organization I work for. And I'm asking all of you, now if you don't buy airtime, if you don't use MPesa, I can't give back to the community. But it's because you use MPesa, it's because you buy the airtime, that's why I'm able to come back and give to the community. So my urge is that continue to support us so that we also are able to give back to the community. Because of the fact that I don't want to pronounce badly, we have also done Bogesaka, 61 million, and then we also did St. Joseph, Biego, 750K. So it depends on the need of the school. Sometimes you can go to a school and do desks, sometimes you do libraries, sometimes you just do the water. For this particular school, we've also made sure that the dormitory is fitting to the governance around fire. So there are fire extinguishers. You find that we have exits, enough exits. We have proper ventilation for the students. There is a space for the matron, so that she's the one who controls things like the lighting, shares and exits. So we've taken care of all those expectations in case there could be an emergency.